Victims of narcissistic abuse desperately hope that the narcissist will change, that they'll go back to who you fell in love with. A narcissist will use a range of manipulative tactics to create that false sense of hope, and then they'll use that hope as a weapon. One tactic that they'll use is love bombing and breadcrumbing. These tactics can overwhelm you with these excessive displays of love and admiration and validation. You need to be cautious of these intense and rapid displays. This is where they're giving you all the love that you want, but ask yourself, will it last? What does your history with this person tell you? Another tactic is false apologies and future faking. The only way to see through this is to look for consistent and genuine change over an extended period of time. Does their behavior align with their promises? They also create hope for change through gaslighting. They'll deny their behavior or blame you for it. Keep private records of events or conversations and maintain a strong support system. You need to stay firm in your reality, not the one that they created.
Stronger.